If you want to take your animation skills in Blender to the next level, today I will show you something truly inspiring. There is an online learning platform called Coloso, where professional artists from all over the world directly share their knowledge in their fields with you. There are comprehensive courses available on the platform in many areas such as illustration, graphic design, three-dimensional modeling, animation, game art, VFX, music production, and even cooking.
By the way, I have an exclusive coupon for you. It is valid for most media design courses and is a really rare opportunity. You can access it through the link in the description and use this discount right away.
This video is a sponsored content where I will review a comprehensive Blender animation course provided to me by Coloso. The course is quite detailed. It covers the entire process including modeling, rigging, animation, and post-production. Is this course really worth learning? I have reviewed it for you. This course offers a comprehensive and unique content that teaches producing animations in Blender with NPR, that is, non-photorealistic rendering technique from A to Z. If you want to create an impressive and stylized visual world, not realistic, this training is perfect for you. In the first section, we meet the instructor Popirica. Instructor Popirica is an experienced 3D video artist who has worked on productions such as films, commercials, and music in Japan. Throughout the course, we witness her real-life production process. Then, by setting up Blender and making the necessary initial settings, a solid foundation is laid. In the second section, we explore Blender's inner world. The interface's functionality, workspace organization, shortcut assignments, and the logic of data blocks are explained in simple terms. In the third section, the main production process begins. First, the basic concepts of modeling and rigging in Blender are taught. Then it's time to plan the project. Scenes are drawn in 3D space with the grease pencil tool and the storyboard is prepared. This part teaches the audience to think like an animation director. Then, an introduction to the NPR shader and material system is provided. All the models used throughout the course are visualized in real time with NPR styles. This ensures the process is continually visually satisfying. At the character modeling stage, things become more in-depth. Head, hair, and body modeling are done with reference images, paying attention to face loops and correct topology. The hair is shaped using Blender's curve system. The body, clothes, and accessories are all modeled individually and given an NPR-style visualization. During the rigging phase, basic rig systems, constraints, and drivers are explained first. Then the Auto Rig Pro plugin comes into play. However, an important emphasis is made here. A good rig can only be built on a quality mesh structure. For this reason, the trainer meticulously arranges the deformation areas of the model, carefully constructing the upper body, hands, face, and hair. And here we come to the most exciting part, animation. This section is like a mini school. The fundamentals of the animation system in Blender are explained in detail. All tools such as keyframes, AutoKey, Graph Editor, Timeline, Actions, Dope Sheet, NLA Editor are covered step by step. Then the scene aspect begins. The concept of 3D layout, camera transition techniques, and scene connections take us into a real production process. The most remarkable point is the concepts of primary and secondary animation. Every animation layer, from the character's movements on the table to the dynamics of clothing, is meticulously planned. Control points are created using constraints. This way, the animation becomes not only beautiful but also technically solid. Detailed applications are done for each scene. The instructor completes the process by patiently interpreting each frame step by step. The viewer not only watches animation but also experiences how a character comes to life. In the 5th episode, the scene world is being constructed. The atmosphere is completed with lighting, background objects, and fine details. Small but impactful details like plants and table items capture the project's spirit. And finally, in the 6th chapter, the project is completed with rendering and compositing processes. In Blender's node-based compositing system, layers, transitions, color adjustments, and effects are controlled. At the end of all these stages, you gain not only technical knowledge but also professional production experience. One of the most important things that makes this course special is its instructor, Popirika. He is the head of a production team known in Japan for music videos, public service announcements, and animation series. It means that this course is not just a hobby explanation, it's content where a professional from the industry directly shares years of experience in a simple language. The explanation is quite fluent and simple. He is truly successful at making difficult techniques understandable. The course is taught in Japanese, but it is quite easy to follow thanks to the English subtitles. One of the most impressive aspects is that the entire process operates like a real production workflow. Each section logically connects to the next step. This not only teaches the viewer what to do, but also why it is done that way. Additionally, throughout the course, he frequently shares personal tips, time-saving shortcuts, and practical methods he has developed over the years. This way, you gain not only Blender knowledge but also a production mindset. One of Popirika's strongest points is truly knowing how to give life to a character. Not only does he explain the technique, but he also teaches how to manage the emotion of the scenes. So, what does this course offer you? First of all, I can say this. If you want to see Blender as not just a technical tool, but a storytelling platform, this course provides you with a brand new perspective. You learn how to create your own character from scratch, add personality to it, and imbue it with emotions. So, you not only say, "I've made a model," but you can also say, "I've created a scene." Additionally, the course does not only focus on technique. It also covers details like scene composition, visual balance, emotional expression, and light atmosphere. This means that you can look at a project with a more cinematic eye. Especially for independent animation producers, students preparing portfolios, or anyone who wants to make a short film, this course is an incredible guide. And the best part is, you can do all of this using only Blender. No need for additional software. This greatly enhances accessibility and simplifies the production process. So, what sets this course apart from similar content? Many online courses either focus on a specific technique or offer a superficial overview. However, this course combines technical depth and a creative approach in a single structure. Instead of topics explained in pieces, here you follow an end-to-end production process. So, who is this course ideal for? If you want to use Blender not just as a hobby, but as a storytelling tool. If you want to bring a character to life, add soul to a scene, or learn the journey from an idea to a short film, then this course is perfect for you. You might be someone new to animation or a user who has been using Blender for years but wants to take their projects to the next level. This course is structured to suit every level, especially students who want to create a portfolio, independent short film producers, content creators preparing animations for YouTube or social media can gain a lot from this course. Moreover, it's a great advantage to be able to do all this using only Blender without complicated software transitions. After reviewing this course, I can clearly say this. It is both an inspiring and a guiding resource for anyone who wants to create animation in Blender.
For me, this course provided not only technical knowledge, but also a creative perspective. If you want to create your own projects, strengthen your portfolio, or just take a deeper step into the world of animation, you should definitely check out this course.
I left the special discount link for the course in the description. You can access it from there and start immediately. If the video was helpful to you, don't forget to like it and subscribe to my channel. I'm eagerly awaiting your thoughts in the comments. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.